Hello there everyone. This is a short video about some of the new stuff and some of the cool stuff that is going on right now. Here in Denmark it's summertime and that means of course you can still fish a lot for salmon, but the pikes are going crazy and in order to fish some pikes, I've had a good friend of mine custom paint a lot of popper heads in some really awesome colors. So if you're into pike, then this is definitely an item you should be looking for. Also, now's the time of the frogs. They are all out there, and the pikes are feeding on those. So I've had the same buddy of mine actually custom paint some frog legs, and these just looks absolutely amazing. I have these in white as well, in a variety of different sizes. So if you're planning on trying something a bit different out, then try out these popper legs. Another thing that is happening right now is if you're fishing for sea trout, then both on the coastal on the coast and in the streams right now, because of the water temperature, the trouts can be quite difficult to catch and wary, especially during the day. But I've found something that really works well, and that's foam flies for these very selective trouts. And if you look at the YouTube channel or in the link here, you can see a link to a foam fly that really works well. And the easiest way to make these is to actually take some of for instance, take some of these new great colors of foam, and then use some of these foam cutters to cut out the correct size for your flies. These foam cutters are truly awesome and very easy to use. Also, this is the time for dry fly, and I have several new stuff for the dry fly fishermen. I've taken great care to have a very large and diverse selection of CDC feathers in numerous different colors and qualities, and CDC is just, well, basically one of the most essential things for dry fly. So a very large stock and a large selection of CDC, both from Swiss CDC and from numerous sources. Also, finally back in stock are these. These are deer hair spun into a dubbing loop, so you can make some very nice caddis flies fairly easy. Just use these and some wings and you're golden. These comes in a variety of different colors, and really an awesome product that I've been very pleased that they are finally back in stock. Again, some other dubbing brushes as well are back in stock after a long absence. This is some made from flash material, great for nymphs, great for coastal flies and stuff like that. All colors are now available once again. The two last items I want to show you today is this new net from McLean. As all the other nets, it has the weight in the handle, which is very cool. But this offers quite a lot of coolness as well, because you simply just pull it out of the scaffold here, and then basically there you have it. It's made from a frame of metal that is bendable, so you get a net for your fishing that is very light and do not take up too much space. Takes a bit of practice to fold this back together, but basically you have to pull and push and twist, and then it just fits neatly back into itself. You just fold the net over here and in here, and of course this net is knotless, so it's ideally suited for when you're fishing for trout and you want to release, or grayling for that matter, and you want to release the trout. Fish catch and release, which is something I incur also. And for a long time, this has been out of production from Simms. The next item. This is the Simms back saving belt. And what this is the best way of actually supporting your back on a full day of fishing. It really is a cool item. This is my own personal belt that I used quite a lot last time I went to Kola Peninsula to fish for salmon. And when you trek a lot during a day and you hike a lot, then this is definitely a life-saving item. This can make or break your trip. So really awesome that Simms finally decided to put this back into production. I'm very happy with mine. It was not gonna go anywhere, but I'm happy that I can offer these again in the shop. So a lot of things going on, and as always, I hope you're fishing as well. I would love it if you would subscribe to the channel for more news like that, or more fishing videos or fly tying instructions. Otherwise, all this stuff is available at flytying.eu. Swing by, have a look at the shop. Otherwise, have a nice summer. I hope you catch a lot of fish.